Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint, and I've got just the opportunity for you to take your Spanish to the next level. Empecemos. Hola amigos, Jim here from Spanish and Go, your resource for learning real-world travel Spanish. And we're coming at you again with another partnership with our good friends at Lingoda. If you want to take your Spanish to the next level, which I know you do because you're watching us here on the channel, we've got another opportunity for you. The Lingoda Marathon 5. There are a ton of different apps out there to help you improve your Spanish that are free, but they're not going to help you as much as actually speaking to a native Spanish speaker. That's why I think this is one of your best opportunities to really improve your Spanish. Take a class every single day with the Lingoda Marathon for 90 days, and at the end of it, you will get a 100% refund. I honestly don't know of a better deal on the market. Now, Mai and I would never recommend something to you guys that we didn't actually believe in. I have taken the Lingoda Marathon, and I can really stand behind their product. I was able to get my CEFR C1 certificate in Spanish, and it was an amazing opportunity. I was really proud of myself that I was able to stick with the marathon and stay dedicated to my language learning goals. I want to become as fluent in Spanish as possible, and the Lingoda Marathon definitely helped improve my fluency. I'm a big fan of the concept that we should try to improve ourselves just a little bit every day, and over time, you start to see that compounding experience and improvement add up. And that's absolutely what you get with the Lingoda Marathon. Every day you'll be practicing with a native Spanish speaker from Spanish-speaking countries all over the world in small group classes. In my experience with the Lingoda Marathon, I was usually in a class with one or two other students. Now that's not always going to be the case for every language level, but these small group classes really allowed for a lot of one-on-one with the teacher. Every day is an opportunity to advance your language skills through speaking, listening, writing, and they have a program for every skill level. Whether you're just starting out or advanced, there's a syllabus for you. And the whole program is extremely convenient. You can do your lessons pretty much anywhere you have an internet connection. When I was doing the marathon, I found it really convenient that I could just log into the app on my phone and go to my class from pretty much wherever I was. And you can download your class lessons for future reference. So this is very important. The next marathon starts May 27th and goes to August 24th. If you want in, you can decide between the half marathon, which is 15 classes per month, or the full marathon, which is the 30 classes each month for 3 months. If you successfully complete the half marathon, you'll get 50% of your money refunded, and if you do the full marathon without skipping one lesson and sticking to Lingoda's terms, you will get a 100% refund. All you need to do is take one class every single day. And I can tell you with confidence, guys, there's no way you're going to enter the half marathon or the full marathon and finish not feeling like you've progressed. The beauty of the marathon is that you are forcing yourself to practice every single day, and from day to day, you probably won't notice a big difference. Over the course of the marathon, you will definitely notice how far you've come. And it's not just for Spanish learners. Lingoda offers classes in English, French, German, and Spanish. So, in order to sign up for the marathon, all you need to do is register before May 13th. The registration fee is usually $6, but with our special code, you won't even have to pay the registration. Just follow the link in the description of this video and enter SPEAK38 to get 100% off your registration fee. If you sign up now, you won't be charged until May 20th, and you'll have 14 days from the time you register to decide if you want to cancel. Places in the marathon are limited, so I encourage you to sign up right away. Just make sure you read their terms and conditions to make sure you can comply with everything they're asking for in order to get the 50% refund for the half marathon or the 100% refund for the full marathon. So over the past couple of years, over 10,000 people have signed up for the Lingoda Marathon, and it has helped tons of people improve their career opportunities, be able to travel easier, and be able to just achieve life goals, right? If so many of us want to learn another language, and this is a great opportunity to be able to do just that. You can read all about some really cool testimonials on Lingoda's website. Just click the link below and be sure to enter our code SPEAK38 when you register to get 100% off your registration fee. And if you're not sure if the marathon's right for you, I encourage you to check out the review I did of the Lingoda Marathon above. They also offer other packages where you can have one-on-one classes with a native speaker or just small group classes at your convenience rather than having to commit to the full marathon if you feel like you're not ready for that yet. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel and Spanish tips. And remember, el camino es el destino. The journey is the destination. Nos vemos pronto.